Welcome to Souvenirs. My name is Joe.
So what region of, what part of Africa do the people come from? East or west?
East.
Oh, you said East Africa?
Tanzania.
Oh, okay.
Yes, to Tanganyika before the name, right? From the lakes of Tanganyika, maybe
About 3,000 years ago?
3,000 years ago. Yes, so in the village, we live in tribes. If you're born from one village in Fiji, you have to belong to one of the tribes from your father's tribe in the village. So you belong to your father's tribe in the village. So in Fiji, there are 14 provinces altogether. 3 confederacies. In one province, they might have more than 15 districts. In one district, they might have more than 5 villages. In village, they got tribes. In a tribe, they divided into clan. In a clan, divided to sub-clan, and family. So in the village, there are 5 tribes altogether. You've got a fisherman tribe, the warriors tribe, capitalist tribe, the chief tribe, the eldest tribe. So you're born a fisherman. If your father is from a fisherman tribe, you stay a fisherman, he dies a fisherman. Overall leader of these 5 tribes is a chief. So we can go out and work, can have a professional job, can be a doctor, teacher, engineer. If he still come back to the village, if he still belong to the fisherman tribe,
No matter what,
Yes. All good? A few rules to follow living in the village. Sorry about the hats. You're not allowed to wear hats in the village. I know it's hot. Only anything above your head is above the chief. That's why there's no wearing hats around here. Even shouting, yelling in the village is not allowed. Even the volume of our TV and the radio, just keep inside the house. There's a lot of these rules, especially respecting the village. And also, for the ladies in the village, they're not allowed to wear pants or trousers around here, or socks. They can wear a skirt or dress or sarong, so not above the knees, all below the knees. You're not allowed to have alcohol in the village, only kava. You guys have tried?
Yes.
Yeah,
We tried.
we tried. Yeah.
We have in the village only kava. If it's not alcohol, it's from a plant that grows in the mountains. You've seen it back in the market? The roots? It is a traditional drink for us Fijians. And any traditional ceremony happening in the village, in a custom, kava is one main thing in the ceremony. So do you clap before you drink?
Yep.
After you drink, you clap 3 times?
Yep.
Not this way, yeah?
No.
That's this way.
The cup.
Because this drink is how we respect the drink, because it's only back in the time our father used to say, it's only for our chief to drink it. Apart from the chief, no one else can have kava. Now we are lucky all people in Fiji can drink kava.
What happened? What changed that?
Yeah, the chief said it's a traditional drink, so everyone has to drink. If it's more than 3, 5, 6 like that in one branch, it'll give us a sign or a warning that the cyclone is coming within a month. This is the first village in Fiji also to receive or to accept Christianity back in 1826. First missionary all the way from America, Seattle, Washington. So before the missionary came that morning, the previous night, our chief, the one who said Christianity, he dreamt it. He was shown in a vision. He was told in a dream that someone will come the next morning in a ship, will be doing things to you, you have to accept it. What's offering you? It'll be good for you in the village and your family. So wake up in the next morning, saw the missionary ship just right in the street.